Okay, what you gonna do today?
So what I'm gonna do today is I am going to do a facial and a massage. My mom is going to do it because tomorrow is school, the first day of school.
Yes,
and
so
I'm
we're
going
gonna
in
do a
second grade.
facial and hair care. So let's get changed.
So this is what I'm going to be wearing.
Okay, one,
I'm
two,
gonna
three.
change. Bye.
Yay! So Shiza is ready for the facial. Let's get started.
Guys, I don't want to walk, so I'm just going to teleport. So,
Good job. How did you teleport right there, Shiza?
I said I'll do magic.
Okay, so let's get started. Straight. Okay. So now first thing we're gonna clean our face with milk and turmeric cleanser. Okay. And then we're just gonna clean it with this.
Aren't you supposed to use water?
So we have oatmeal, milk, and face wash, and we're gonna use this as a scrub.
Scrub it up,
Focus on
dub.
her face, okay?
Scrub it up, dub. Here we go. Ew.
Look up, look up. Alright, such a mess. Look up.
My eyes.
Okay. Aake band.
Did you put water on it?
Yes.
It feels even worse, sir.
Okay.
What? Oh. Now it's confusing me.
Okay. Now we're gonna do coffee mask, coffee, pulp, tomato pulp, and sugar. Okay, and then we're gonna use this mask. Okay, so we're gonna use this.
You're supposed to use the spatula. That's why it's called a spatula.
Okay.
It feels cool. Ooh.
Stop touching it.
Oh my god. I can literally see. I'll help you. Oh, this one's even colder. Did you put two on this one? This one was cool. Be careful with my eyebrows.
Oh, it's like-
Smells like coffee.
It looks like paint.
Monster. Curly did. It's like right next to my face.
It was right here.
Okay, rice flour and yogurt is scrubbed.
I'm excited, guys. I just washed my face. That's the softest thing.
Yeah.
Like, let me touch yours. Mine felt like yours. No.
Recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Bro, mine felt like yours,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, look up.
And then now mine is so strong.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ready?
But smells bad.
Are you recording?
Her eyelash.
So now we're just gonna use gram flour, yogurt, and turmeric mask.
Let's do this. Wait. What are you using?
It's a brush.
What? I thought I already had some on it. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, 3. Oh, it's dripping. It's gonna
Okay,
drip. It's gonna drip. 3, 2, 1, do it.
It's cold.
Yeah, super cool.
This is the frame. Okay. look around. Okay, pause. Last thing we're gonna do is a sheet mask.
Is it watermelon?
Now it's a peach.
Can I see what is this? Peachy de peach. I want to know your one.
Good.
That it's inside a wrapper. I know this is gonna be the coldest, guys. I'm probably gonna get a cold freeze. It's not, all the sheet mask, all face masks are really big for me. So yeah.
It's cold. Okay. Makeup shoes on. Makeup. Look up.
Sorry.
Okay, now we're gonna take the mask off. How does it feel?
Wet.
Yeah. Now we just have to rub it in. Let me just recording. Yeah, rub it in. Rub it in.
Nice scratch you.
You have to stay in the frame. Stay in the frame. Can I do? Hands down. Thank you.
Let me see.
Okay, so Shiza is nice and clean.
So guys, I'm gonna do magic. So 3, 2, 1. It's bubble again.
And we're gonna put this on your face.
So you just squeeze it and then you take it off. I do like 1 or 2 times at the time.
We're gonna use bubble. Okay.
Oh, okay. Basically the bubble. So guys, basically the bubble has nothing to do with all the face stuff. It's just cream. This is the middle part.
So-
I don't have side parts.
This is the finished. How do you feel?
Nice.
Nice and clean. Look at the side. Look at the side. So soft. So are you ready for the school tomorrow?
No.
Really?
No.